Check out purposelyhere.com where you will find my self-published book. Purposelyhere.com also has exclusive merchandise for men, women, and kids. Purposelyhere.com is also available on your mobile devices. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
What's up, YouTube? It's Demetria Beckham, and I'm back with another video. Listen, I don't want to take up you all's too much of your time, but I did want to share a little something with you all that I just spoke to my kids about, a conversation that we had. I was explaining to both the boys and the girls. I was saying to the boys, like, I know that you'll see beautiful girls as you grow, beautiful women. I understand that there's a lot of women with really nice bodies that you'll be physically attracted to. And the same I said with my girls. I know that as you grow, your bodies will become more attractive to guys. Your looks will become more attractive to guys. But I explained it to both of them. First, the boys, like, what you have to understand is she may be physically appealing, she might be good in bed, but you got to understand those qualities will not raise your child if you choose to seed her. And for the girls, while you may be physically appealing to a guy, you have to understand you need to offer more than what's right in their faces. Your beauty, your physical beauty. You have to have a mindset that is conducive to a man of value, a man of quality. You have to know who you are and be secure in that and not need validation to come from anywhere. You have to be strong in your mind, knowing your value, your quality, the things that are important in life, and that is maintaining your husband, your children, and your home. And explaining to the boys, you need to know that whomever that you're with, there's somebody that's sent to you by the Most High, because you never want to get entangled with a woman that is not a representative of the Most High. You don't want to get entangled with a woman that doesn't hold value, that does not support your purpose, that does not push you in your purpose, that does not align with your purpose. And just explaining to them, looks, what after looks? After the looks are gone, after somebody else comes along that looks better, then what? So we have to teach these children that we're not valuing the way that a person looks, because the way that the person looks is not what's going to raise your children, but it's their mind. It's their way of thinking. It's their way of believing. You all have to be on one accord, when it comes to believing in the Most High, when it comes to believing in family values and life principles and morals and so on and so forth. So we need to sit our children down and we need to be educating them on the do's and don'ts for relationships. What's expected in a relationship from both the male and the female, explaining to them, the roles and positions that they must uphold when in these committed relationships. Is because when people go into these relationships blind and don't lay out those expectations and don't talk about those expectations, those relationships typically don't last, is because they find that they are not compatible. They are unequally yoked. So we need to be talking to our boys and telling them and teaching them, don't look for the ideal woman based upon her image, but you need to get to know her spiritually, mentally, intellectually, all those things, and know what is in her heart. And same for the girls. Don't think that you can bait and keep a man just because you look good, because what happens when your body breaks down? You have to hold that value in your mind and in your heart and be able to be the woman that you need to be for that relationship, for that marriage, as that woman in that relationship. So just a little something I wanted to share with you all that I just had a conversation with the kids about. And I just like to often have these conversations about life, about school, whatever the case may be. It might start off with one conversation and then it eventually veers off into something else. But it's important, mothers, that we're sitting down and we're having this open dialogue with our children. We need to make sure that our children are comfortable with coming to us and talking to us, and we have to make sure that we are willing to listen as well. Don't be so quick to just want to yap. You know, those children, they need somebody to vent to, and somebody that they can trust, somebody that they know that they can get reliable advice and wisdom from. And it should be us as mothers. They shouldn't be running to their friends expecting wisdom from their peers, you know, because 9 times out of 10, their peers are very inexperienced like they are. And I'm not saying that other children can't give sound information to their peers. Is because the Most High speaks to us all, but just letting them know that they need to come to us as their parents, and we need to be willing to listen as well as give them the information that they need. So I hope this helps some mother, even a father, that needs to sit down and just have that engaging conversation with their children, letting them know and understand, you know, what they need to be looking for and what they need to be in a relationship when it's time for them to actually be a part of something of that nature. So you all stay blessed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my website, purposelyhere.com, where you can find my self-published book. I also have exclusive merchandise on my website as well. I typically have a shirt on or some of the merchandise, but today I don't. So just go ahead and check out my website. You can also find my 2025 graduation memorabilia as well. There's stuff on there for the graduate and the parents as well. So you all be blessed, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.